Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can extend the C drive in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So if your C drive is running very slow storage and you want to extend its storage, you want to add some storage in it, all you need to do is just, if you have this uh, empty drives here like this new volume D and then this new volume E, which are almost 10 gigabytes. So we can do that. We can extend the C drive just by following the few simple steps that I'm going to show you. So here we have 307 gigabytes space free or free of space here in the C drive, and we will be extending its volumes. How can we do that? Let's close this window first, and then we will be opening the run window. So we can do that simply by making a click or press here in the Windows R key altogether. And we can also do that, or we can also open this run window just by making a click here in the Windows icon and then click this run button here. So once this run window is already open, all we need to do is just to type diskmgmt.msc. Again, it's diskmgmt.msc. Now once done typing, just please click on OK or enter. And then once you do that, you will see this disk management window coming up. Let me just maximize this one. So as you can see here, we have the local disk C, the new volume E, and the new volume D. So we will click on this C drive, and then if we make a right click, and then we have this extend volume. So we will be doing that. But if you see that this is grayed out, that means you don't have a unallocated space. And to do that, or to have the unallocated space, we will be deleting this volumes here, these two volumes. So we will just, how we can do that, we will just make a right click on that and then click this shrink volume, and then it will be shrinking. It's make a right click and then click this delete volume here, and then click on this yes. And then as you can see, as we click on delete, it says here that the 9.77 or almost 10 gigabytes is now unallocated. Now we will do the same with this new volume new volume E, and then make a right click, and then if you see the delete volume option, just please click this delete volume, and then deleting this volume will erase all data on it. Back up any data you want to keep before deleting it. So since this is empty, these drives are empty, I'll just click on yes to continue. And then as you can see here, we have almost 20 gigabytes of unallocated space. So the supposedly the E drive and the D drive are now being added up. So we will be extending the C drive with this unallocated drive. So we can now click on the extend volume. So just please make a right click with your C drive, and as you can see, the extend volume options is now is not grayed out anymore. So if you click on that, you will be able to see this extend volume wizard window coming up. Here we need to click this next button here, and as you can see, we have the maximum available space in MB. So just please click on next. We don't have to change or alter anything in here, and then click on finish. And as you can see, we have now the local disk C being extended and the unallocated drive being added to the local disk C. And instead of 307, we have now 475. And we can also check that just by closing this window. We will go again with our file explorer, and then we will go with this PC. And as you can see here, we have now the 327 free of space. So lately we have 307. Now 20 gigabytes has been added to this C drive here that we have. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.